Jia-In Industry Co Limited has dedicated to supply the most innovative packaging system since 1973. A world-leading manufacturer of packaging equipment with 50 years extensive manufacturing experience of packaging machinery and material. Jia-In Industry Co Limited has built a solid reputation to our customers over 60 countries. To meet the demand of manufacture facilities in China, Joinpack also set up PP, PET extruder, and machinery facility in Shanghai, Shenzhen, Qingdao, and Xiamen, with local sales offices covering major industry areas in China since 1990s. We are very first factory in Taiwan to implement ISO system, certified by RWTUV. Today, we are operated under ISO 9001-2008 system. Our packaging products are under CE Directive and ROHS Directive, which ensures the safety standard and environment friendly for all users. Persistent development of packaging solutions and optimal quality brings you high level of reliability in maximizing your packaging experience. The logo of Joinpack emphasizes us, a packaging manufacturer, to join reliable quality of our packaging machines for achieving our customer satisfaction. From the simplest corresponding strapping materials to the most demanding system solutions, our integral approach covers most packaging requirements. We pack promises as the market leader of packaging industry. Joinpack is continuously giving our full commitment in comprehensive range of products, provides efficient one-stop service to fulfill our customers' need.